Doing a video today of my dad's 1961 Studebaker Hawk. I love the body lines of this car. Those fins are pretty awesome. Looks like a sister to my 57 Bel Air. Can't wait till we can go to shows together. Go cruising together. My dad's got some 3-inch white walls he's getting ready to put on here. He's gonna do a little tune up to the engine. There's the exterior. Got a nice sleek look to it. Sorry for the wind noise. Okay, now I'll show you the interior. Look at that dash, isn't that pretty? Love it. Nice. Love the horn. Interior's been redone a little bit different from factory. Some of the stuff looks like factory stuff. It's a real nice headliner. New period correct carpet. Nice dash. Real pretty painted red on the inside of the doors. Got a lot of room to be able to get in and out of the back. I'd like to see this car in a wedding. This is the original 289. It's a very interesting motor. Look like the ram horn exhaust manifolds on my 57 Bel Air. It's got a real wide intake, which is really neat. I think this is some type of aftermarket air conditioning. Not positive. And I wonder if that was a generator before and now it's an alternator. Not sure. I don't know a lot about these cars. But be sure to like and subscribe to my videos if you haven't already. I try to do videos like this and I'm going to start doing more. I just got over 1,000 subscribers. So it gave me a little extra push to come out here and do a video today. That was a pretty exciting thing. This is pretty much a non-restored car. I'm trying to block the wind here. Hopefully the videos. I got a little scratch there. You know, little scratches here and there. That way if it does get another one, don't think my dad would be too upset about it. Can't wait to see them big old white walls on here. That's gonna look really nice. Oh, nice body lines. It's like somebody put some type of coating material on here. Back of those seats look really nice. It looks like it's got some type of carpeting on it. And somebody made this little cover here. Ooh, man, it has lots of water in here for some reason. Not sure about that, but it's gonna cause rust if it doesn't get taken care of soon. Might be condensation from it being cold and hot, which is not a good thing. How about that bumper? That's a pretty cool bumper. All them curves in it and everything. But my favorite part of the car is this rear quarter. That fin. Look how tall that fin is. That thing's got to be, you're looking from here up, it's got to be 12 or 13 inches. Love that. And another part of the car I like is this. All these lines in here. I'm pretty sure that's part of the metal there, but that's pretty darn cool. I like that. Well, like I said before, be sure to subscribe to my videos. Like this video, that'd be awesome. I'll have more videos like this in the future, and I've got probably a couple of hundred videos about cars. If you look back, I've got them on different classic car places in the southeast US, and you know, from Tennessee to Charlotte and places like that. And I've got videos of my cars, a barn find where I brought home, I'm in South Carolina, and I brought home 7 cars out of Hickory, North Carolina at one time. And I got that little road trip, and the barn find itself, which included 2 Bel Airs, big block Monte Carlo, all kinds of stuff. So you'll have to look for that video. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.